How to duet on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can duet on TikTok Lite app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now duet is basically a feature that you can use for other creators videos on your own video as well. To conduct this feature, normally you would use a TikTok app, but not to worry because you can do it from the TikTok Lite application as well. All you have to do is just launch the TikTok Lite app and then just make sure to sign into your account. So let's say that this is the video on which I want to create a duet with. What I have to do is just tap on the little share icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once I tap on the share button here, if you scroll and if the creator has actually allowed duet, you'll see the duet button. So if it is grayed out, then it means that this creator has not allowed duet. So let me try for some other video. I'll just tap on the share button and then here you can see the duet button has been enabled. Just tap on the option over here and then you'll just select downloading creation tools and you can follow the instructions and then do it accordingly on the TikTok Lite application. You don't need the main TikTok application to do so. This is how you can duet videos on TikTok Lite. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.